Hi guys, welcome back to Be Did What. I'm Bianca for those who are tuning in for the first time. For all my OG viewers, subscribers, welcome back. Just coming here with an update regarding the Slimfast 123 diet that I did. So if you're an OG subscriber or a viewer, you would have known that I did a video towards the beginning of my YouTube career. This is a career for me, and I actually trialled the Slimfast 123 diet for 30 days. It's a diet that I've tried in the past. I know it's one that works for me, and I'm happily sitting here to say that I've lost a total of 16 pounds since that video. I was looking for a better result. It has been way over 30 days, but I have been off and on the plan basically. I'm now kind of like 2 weeks away from Coachella. I think when I filmed that I was probably about 12 weeks away from Coachella. So losing 16 pounds, quite happy with it, but I really want to ramp it up. I haven't been as active as I want to in the gym. Haven't really been on a proper healthy diet thing that I've been doing. So the plan is for the next 2 weeks I'm going to go back onto the plan and probably follow it just kind of exactly how Slimfast kind of tells you to. So it's 2 shakes per day and then 1 healthy meal. So I'm going to do that for the next 2 weeks, as well as incorporate at least 25 minutes to 30 minutes of exercise. So that's the plan for the next 30 days. I hope I keep to it. It's very, very busy time for me at the moment, but I'm determined to keep to it for the next 2 weeks. And then when I come back, for all those that don't know, I've actually been a pescatarian for the last probably 7 to 8 years, but now I'm looking to kind of evolve into a vegan. So if you don't know, vegan is very much, you just follow a plant-based diet, so you don't eat anything that's got dairy, no meat of course. And so I've been watching a lot of Rachel Amma. Shout out to you, you do amazing videos to do with your vegan lifestyle and the recipes that you make. I am completely hooked with your channel. I am one of your subscribers. I find your content so amazing, so entertaining. I love the music that you listen to. It's very much my sort of music. So if you really want to know about veganism, I would actually say tune into her videos as well as mine, of course. I'm going to start doing vegan meal preps every Sunday, which I'll share with you guys, and then I'll eat that food throughout the week. So I'm going to do a healthy breakfast, a healthy lunch, which I'll probably do. With lunch, it depends where I am and what I'm doing. So with lunch, I probably want to do like a mixture of shakes and food for lunch, and then a healthy dinner. So I'll share that with you when I come back from LA, which will be in the next 3 to 4 weeks basically. I'm not going to LA until 2 weeks time, but by the time I come back, get all the stuff, get everything ready, then that will be it. The plan also is to join a new gym. I'm actually a member of Pure Gym, but it's way too far away from my house and it's just not practical for me. Even though I kind of pass there on my drive home, I prefer to be close to home when I finish gym. So I'm going from Pure Gym back to Nuffield. Nuffield is literally just a 5-minute drive away from my house, which makes complete sense for me, especially at the weekend. So that is my choice at the moment, and I'm going to join them when I come back from LA. That's all part of it. So veganism, new gym, new lifestyle, we're getting there. So I've been to that Nuffield before. I used to actually work just above the gym, so I'm looking forward to going back because I know the equipment, I know the classes, I know the workouts. So looking forward to getting back to what I know. Don't get me wrong, Pure Gym was really good. It's just, it gets so busy, so crowded. You're there waiting for machines. I've got no time for that. I just want to get in, get out, and that's it, do my thing. So that's the plan coming up. And then after that, that's it basically. I just want to say thank you guys for always tuning in. I have a few of you that are just kind of like loyal supporters, and it just blows me away. I'm not only going to be doing my makeup content, I'm actually going to change it up now and actually go into a bit more fashion for you guys. So I've got a few hauls coming up which I will share with you guys, and I can't wait. It's stuff that it's not only Misguided or Pretty Little Thing, but I'm actually diversing into other brands as well. So if you're a brand up there and you want to do collaboration with me, please get in touch with me, and my email is bdidwhat@gmail.com, and my Instagram is bdidwhat@gmail, and bdidwhat as well. So if you are interested, then drop me a line and I'll happily post your content on here as well as on my Instagram. And that's it, guys. As I said, next 2 weeks we're going to do the Slimfast plan. Anyone wants to join me, then let's see if we can lose at least another £7. That would be nice. And then let's do it, and I'll update you just before I get on that plane, whether it'll be in a vlog or whatever. I'll let you know exactly how much I've lost. So thank you once again for tuning in, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.